What's up, everybody? One of my favorite recent quotes about AI comes from one of my favorite philosopher kings, Naval. AI means the computers are learning our language rather than us having to learn theirs. That one hits you pretty hard. One of the biggest drivers of the hype around generative AI, along with the signal too, is the way non-technical stakeholders have been able to experience the magic firsthand. Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, U.com, Perplexity, or any other chat-based interface to an LLM, once you experience the magic firsthand, it's impossible not to see use cases in your day-to-day workflows. The Naval quote is fitting because another one of the more magical characteristics of generative AI is the opportunity to literally democratize access where the ability to code might have been a barrier previously. Right? So I came across a data trends report by Snowflake along with a supporting data strategy blog post by Snowflake's Jennifer Belissent. And I wanted to share a few excerpts that really resonated with me. Now, they're mashed up so the experts flow better, but the links to both of the complete post, the report and the blog post itself, can be found in the comments. So here we go. The democratization of AI is here. The major promise of AI is that it will make technology available to less technical users. Shout out Naval. As we all know, there is no AI strategy without a data strategy, so we start with the data. For those who aspire to be data-driven, a data strategy is not just about the technology, but also about the people and the processes, parentheses, until we become truly self-driving. Without roads and rules, drivers are going to cause collisions and gridlock. A data strategy must map it all. To be successful, a business must build the shiny new AI technology on top of a solid stack of organizational practices and technologies to ensure a company's data is available, secure, and properly governed. In other words, the LLM is the dessert, while a solid data infrastructure is the main course, and/or the LLM might be the iceberg above the waterline, and there's all sorts of very important stuff down below the water that you really want to be, cognizant of. The proper response to the new AI age is not to desperately create a new data strategy, but to accelerate the same solid, thoughtful practices you were following before you ever heard of ChatGPT. All types of data must be supported, structured, semi-structured, and unstructured, as well as data that resides across clouds or even on-premise. Moreover, it's not just about internal data. The data foundation must enable collaboration with external partners and customers to facilitate joint use cases and ensure the ability to access third-party sources for a more complete picture of your business. This reminds me of yesterday's post in regards to buy versus build versus partner, right? So it's becoming a lot less binary. Becoming data-driven requires a cultural transformation that extends from shop floor to top floor. I like that. After all, everyone plays a part in either capturing, protecting, or using data. In fact, those who capture the data are often overlooked, like the cashier or the field service technician. And that type of change requires more than a megaphone. Your data strategy must include a communication strategy to evangelize and educate all employees. Last quote. Most data, as much as 90% by some estimates, is unstructured videos, documents, and more. We saw processing of unstructured data grow by 123%. That's good news for many uses, not the least of which is advanced AI. Proprietary data will give large language models their edge, so unlocking that underutilized 90% has huge value. Shout out Snowflake, phenomenal research report, phenomenal blog post. Link in the comments below to both. Have a good one.